Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see best swing trading stocks for the week of 21st December to 25th December. So first stock I have is Ambuja Cement. On a daily chart, you can draw a trend line up to current market price. As you can see, volumes have dried up when this trend line was forming. This is a strong support level. You can see long wick candles at various or different down move. This was the first down move, the second down move, and the third down move. As I always say, trend line is an extremely profitable strategy or a pattern to trade. It gives us exponential risk to reward ratio. If we go to hourly chart, you can spot even longer long wick candles on the support level, which was on a daily chart around 245, and here we can draw it or mark it at 250. So this is what is happening in Ambuja Cement. Price is finding it difficult to go down. What we need is that we need Ambuja Cement to break the high of today's session, which is equal to 250 2.20. We want it to go as high as 253. Then we can certainly see the level of 260 or even this particular high getting reached in the next week as well. Second swing trading stock for next week is Timken India. As always, we try to find a trend line on a daily chart or a weekly chart. In Timken, you can draw a trend line like this, and the support level I can see from daily chart is around the level of 1140 to 1130. As you can see, volume activity has dried up prior to this sizable bullish candle. If we go to lower time frame, specifically hourly chart, you can draw a trend line like this as well. So on a daily chart, on a hourly chart, the trend line is similar and the support level is seem to be similar as well, which is around 1140 to 1130. As you can see that there was a spike in the volume for today's session, and prior to that there was a silence or entire or calm in the price, and that is what we want. If in Monday's session Timken India goes above the price of 1160, I can surely see lot of bullish momentum, and it will definitely going to break the barrier or try to challenge the high, which is equal to 1210. What might happen is that as we have already seen huge spurt in the price, we can see some form of consolidation in Monday's session, and after that if you see a huge or decent sized bullish candle with volumes on 5-minute chart, then you can enter, and that's when you are going to get huge returns. Third and final stock that is for swing trading for next week is Dr. Lal Path Labs. As we saw in our previous two stocks, we can also draw a trend line up to current market price on a daily chart, and the support level can be found at the level of 2130 to 2180 and also 2170. As you can see, there is a drying up of volume when this pattern was formed, which is a good indication that once this pattern gets broken or trend line gets broken, we are going to see huge bullish momentum. Let us go to hourly chart and to analyze what anomalies we can find if there are any. As you can see, this was a strip resistance right here around 2190. So what I foresee is that 22 or 2200 is an extremely important level. If Dr. Lal Path Lab manages to go beyond that with decent volumes and also decent size bullish candle in 5-minute chart, I can certainly see the stock challenging the level of this particular high, which is equal to 2390 or even 2400. So next week is going to be a huge week. We want the momentum to get started on the first day of the week, that is on Monday, 21st December. Let us see all the important levels in the three stocks that we just analyzed. I have given you three targets along with risk to reward ratio. As I always say, try to keep stop loss or rather trail your loss. For example, in Ambuja Cement, you enter at 253 and your target is 259 and price goes above, for example, 260. Then what you can do is that you can just set your stop loss and trail it to 259. That means you have booked your profit till 253 to and 259. And for example, in Monday's session it goes above 260. What you can do, just place your stop loss till 260 to 59. And on Tuesday's session, if the trailing stop loss does not get hit on Monday's session, then in the beginning of the session, that is on 9:15 on Tuesday's session, you can trail your stop loss to again 259 because that position won't be carried forward. The order you have placed will be rendered invalid on Monday itself. So similarly, you can keep on trailing your stop loss to gain huge rewards. It's up to you to decide which stocks you want to trade depending upon your capital. If you have large capital, you can go for Timken or Dr. Lal Path Labs. And if you have smaller capital like me, you can go for Ambuja Cement. I hope you have understood all the logic and the way of trading all these stocks. Thank you for watching.